let's talk about division word problems and how to write them, how to decide if it is a division problem that you're supposed to do, and what it actually means. So the first thing, let's think about what division means. If you are dividing a number, you are actually making that number smaller. Okay, it means you're splitting it up or you're splitting it into groups, but you're making it smaller. Okay, so with a division word problem, the biggest thing to remember is to read what is being asked of you. All right, so here's just the basic format. There are blank items that need to be divided or split into blank equal-sized groups or baskets or buckets or whatever. How many items will be in each group? So we're already telling you there are this many items total. So let's just look at one. If you're given the problem 576 divided by 32, and you need to write a word problem for it, we can just plug this word problem in. Okay, so we can write, there are 576. This is the total we have. 576 oranges. Those are my items that need to be divided. You could also use the word split into, and now they're telling you how many equal-sized groups you have. You have 32 groups. So instead of grouping my oranges, I'm actually putting them into bags. 32 equal bags. Okay, and then the big one, how many oranges will be in each bag? So this is what I want to know. How many oranges will go in my bags? I have 32 bags, and I have this big trash can full of 576 oranges. Okay, and I need to split them equally into bags and find out how many oranges will go in each bag. So then once you have that, now you can solve it. Okay, we'll use our solving strategy that we know. 32, well, I know 32 times 2 is 64, which means 640, so that's going to be too many. So I'm going to go 32 times 10, which gives me 320. And then I'm going to do 32 times 3, which gives me 96. And that's pretty close. Let's go 32 times 2 and see what I end up with. So let's see what we have so far. We have 10, 9, 10, 12, 18. That gives me 480. So I'm almost there. I'm about 100. So I'm guessing since I'm almost 100 off, I just need another 3. So 32 times 3 again gives me 96. 6, 17, 576. All right. When we add all of those up, 10 plus 3 is 13, 14, 15 plus 3 is 18. So that means 18 oranges per bag. So I have 32 bags, and each of my bags has 18 oranges in it. And that got rid of all 576 of my oranges. Okay, I want you to try this one on your own. So pause the video, write out the entire word problem, and solve it, and then come back to check your work. All right, so here's my word problem. There are 286 kids playing soccer. They need to be put on 13 equal-sized teams. How many kids will be on each team? So I'm going to take my 13 and I'm going to multiply it by 20 because I know 13 times 2 is 26. And then I really only need 26 more. Do 13 times 2 is 26. That gives me 286. So when I add this up, it looks like we will have 22 kids per team. Okay, we had all of these kids playing soccer, and this is the number of teams that they had. We wanted to know how many kids per team, and that's what we ended up with.